see, all the oranges kept in the fridge came out and spread all over. Hey, what's this? So many oranges? I asked my friend. Yeah, what can I say, man? My friend replied. My wife called me yesterday when I was returning home from the office. She told me to bring a box of oranges from the market. She further said, if there are eggs, bring 10. There were eggs in the market, so I bring 10 boxes of oranges. I bursted into laughter on my friend's cleverness. Jokes apart. Why did his wife ask him to bring a box of oranges? Well, due to current corona pandemic, their doctor advised them to take orange juice. This is because oranges are rich in antioxidants which boost your body's immune system. Doctors suggest you to take various antioxidants. So, tell me, how many oranges will you eat in a day? Or how much of citrus juice will you drink? What if I tell you can get antioxidants from your drinking water? That's what I mentioned in my previous video. So, let's find out what antioxidants are. Hey friends, my name is Santosh Pavaskar. Me and my family are on mission to make 1000 families healthy and happy in next 3 years. Many viruses and infections attack our cells in the body. Many of these cells are damaged. Some of them heal on their own, while others damage other good cells too. Scientists call these cells as free radicals. These free radicals cause the diseases like cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure, and so on. To put it simply, how many times have you seen a vulnerable dog on the street being attacked by other dogs? Some vultures, sometimes adults too. On the other hand, if there is a strong dog in the yard of a house, usually no one dares to attack it. That's why it is essential to keep our cells strong. Antioxidants do just that, which makes the cells in our body more efficient and energetic. The oxidation is a process of rust, such as slices of apple turning black over time or rust on an atom. The antioxidation is nothing but the process of preventing rust. The anti-rust ingredients called as antioxidants. It is a chemical which prevents or reduces the damage caused by free radicals. Our body uses antioxidants to balance free radicals, which reduces the damage to good cells and boost our immune system. Antioxidants include vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, lycopene, lutein, and selenium. You can get such antioxidants from your healthy diet and fluids. That's why doctor advises us to eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Are these antioxidants there in the water you drink? How can we check it out? You need to see candle water demo for that. Click on the link given in the description or contact us on WhatsApp number +91 93 215 15174. I am signing off now. See you in my next video. Stay connected with me. Live healthy, live happy. Namaste.